Okay, this is another practice problem. I think it's number 3 on the back side of your practice problems worksheet. A 98 kilogram fullback is running along at 8.6 meters per second when a 76 kilogram defensive back running in the same direction at 9.8 meters per second jumps on his back. What is the post-collision speed of the two players immediately after the tackle? So remember that momentum equals mass times velocity. And according to the conservation of momentum, whatever momentum you start with must be equal to the momentum you end with. So initial must be equal to the final. So we can set this up M1 V1, that describes our fullback, plus M2 V2, which describes the defensive back. And after the collision, they are together. So it would be your final mass times your final velocity. So when I plug all these values in, it's 98, 8.6 plus 76 times 9.8. And then remember that your mass on the final side after the collision needs to be both of their masses. So 98 plus 76, and then we are trying to figure out their final speed. So then I can start to simplify. This is 842.8. This momentum is 744.8. And their total mass is 174 kilograms. And velocity is the variable that we're solving for. This adds up to 1,587.6. Then I need to divide both sides by 174 in order to get v by itself. And I find that the final velocity after the collision is 9.12 meters per second. And that is, I believe, problem number 3.